Installing VS Code and cloning the course resources. So far we've used Chrome and the developer console to write our JavaScript code. But this means any code you write is lost when you refresh the page. Typically, JavaScript is written using a script tag in an HTML page or as an entirely separate file with the extension .js. To write the HTML or JS files, we need a text editor. While you can use Notepad on Windows or TextEdit on a Mac, for the rest of this course I recommend VS Code. Shoot over to code.visualstudio.com and install the application for your desktop. Having installed the application, we need to grab the code for this course. Use the main menu, View, Command Palette. In the search panel type Git. A list of options that include the word Git appear. Choose Git Clone and in the input panel enter github.com Nick Lever JavaScript Lessons. You'll be asked where you want the downloaded files to be placed. Choose a folder. The course files will be placed in a subfolder named JavaScript Lessons inside the folder you choose. Once downloaded, you'll be asked if you trust the authors of the files in this folder. Choose Yes. At this stage you should have a screen like this one. Select the button at the top left to explore the folders and files in the resource repository you've just installed. Viewing the files in a browser requires one more step in VS Code. We need to install an extension. Find the Extensions button. It's in the toolbar with the Explore button and features 4 squares with the top right square offset from the others. In the search bar, enter Live. Find the entry Live Server. In the right-hand pane, choose Install. The last step is to find the file index.html using the Explore screen. Now right-click this file and choose Open with Live Server. Your default browser will open showing this index page. You're all set to carry on with the course. Great work!